You are with ProjectHowTo, and today I'm gonna show you level 2 abs workout from the series Workouts for Every Level of Preparedness. This workout is suitable for everyone who had already started training their abs but wants to challenge themselves a little bit further. The workout will consist of 4 exercises. Each exercise will last a minute, followed by 15 seconds rest. The first exercise is a plank. So get onto your elbows, timer is ready, and 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna get a quick rest, and after that we're gonna do mountain climbers. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go front support and okay, another 15 seconds rest, and now we're gonna do straight leg lifts. So we're gonna lay down, hands flat, arms straight. Okay, we've got 15 seconds rest, and the last exercise that we're gonna do is a side plank lifts. So we're gonna do 30 seconds on one arm, 30 seconds on the other. All right. And those were the level 2 abs workout exercises that I wanted to show you. What you can do after the 4th exercise, have a longer break. Instead of the 15 seconds break, have a 30 seconds break, and then repeat all 4 exercises for another 4 rounds. And that was from me for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!